he decided to go to the forest. He had a bone in his mouth. He saw his own reflection in the water. He saw his own reflection in the water. He smiled.